What's up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kat. This is my channel. As per a poll on my Instagram, I am unboxing my newest designer handbag. If you want to be part of future videos, be sure to follow me on my Instagram. I put up polls and things all the time, and you guys help me decide what's next. So, I ordered this bag. I have been wanting a new handbag for a hot minute, and I picked this one up secondhand from The Real, as I think I'm probably gonna put the title. Okay, so I wanted a Louis Vuitton. I was not in the mood to spend Louis Vuitton dollars. And you can't, my mom is here, I'm at my parents' house. You can't get a brand new Louis Vuitton at the Louis Vuitton website. They're sold out of everything. It's impossible. So, I looked at The Real. I looked at ThredUp first because I got $450 in credit at ThredUp. No bags that I wanted on ThredUp. So I settled on this beautiful Prada that I've been looking at. I wanted a classic bag. Here's my receipt. We authenticate every item. Thank God. Whoa, why are we fuzzy? Okay, fuzzed out. Okay, so it did not come in its own dust bag. It came in The Real's dust bag. And like the photos they put on the website never do the bag size justice. So if you're gonna buy from The Real, always like take a handbag you like, measure it, and then you can get an idea. That's what I had to do. So I'll put the exact name of the bag and like the link and everything down below. You can't get this one because the link's to each individual bag, but it's just a classic canvas brown bag. I thought this would be really good for fall. And I wanted one with a handle, and I wanted one smaller than my Louis Vuitton, which is where. So I've been carrying around my giant Tournelle, and I wanted something smaller. So it's like the same width almost, except for the top. I'm excited about this. I feel like this thing gets so heavy. You can speak.
Okay.
So I zoomed in on all of the photos really tight to see if there was any actual like damage I could see on the bag. And I couldn't see any. Usually they're pretty good about showing any damage, but so here's a close-up of it. Even has its little like luggage tag. You could put your name and information on. I remember seeing there was like a little scuff right there. I don't see anything on the back. All the leather looks really good. Since it's a dark specific leather, I don't think it'll patina at all. And I haven't seen any like scuffing or anything on the gold hardware. It says Prada on the big zipper there. I don't think they even put anything in it to like hold its shape. Oh wait, here's the original dust bag.
Why didn't they put it in?
Yeah, why did they just put it in the Prada dust bag? That's weird.
Maybe they didn't know it was in there.
Surely they knew it. I bet you it was in the listing. Usually if it has the dust bag, sometimes it's in the listing. The inside doesn't even look like it's ever been used.
They were probably protecting the bag.
I don't know what their deal was. But like the inside of the bag doesn't look like there's anything in it. You're not impressed. It's not what you would have picked.
It's just a little folded up. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, it's lost some of its shape.
It's lost some of its shape.
And there's some dust like on the edges I can see, but that's the only thing I can see so far. What is that? It's just like, you know, I wonder if this is brand new without tags.
That's brand new.
I don't know. It's got the big...
If it was, why didn't they leave the stuffing in it? That would have kept it.
Well, whoever was selling it might not have sold it to The Real with the stuff or consigned it. Like even the inside of the inner zipper pocket looks near perfect. There's the tag, one of the tags with the numbers on it. Did that say Milan? Yeah, and it's all embossed in the gold. It looks really good. I can't see any stains on the inside at all.
Maybe it's never been carried.
I feel like it hasn't. Let's see the bottom.
That's pretty clean. The bottom would have something.
There's like some very slight scuffing on the little knobs, but for a bag that's used, there's like nothing on the bottom of it.
These scissors away.
There's like a couple of black spots right there that I just saw. I don't know if you can even see those. They're on the back of the bag though, but here she is. I'm gonna switch all my stuff into this bag right now. The leather is so soft, feel that?
Yeah, it is.
It's nice.
It's in good shape.
Yeah. So I wanted another crossbody, but I wanted something smaller. So I think it's cute. I think it's a good neutral to have for fall. There's a tiny scuff there that I saw in the listing. But I also thought it looked good with my brown and gold nails, so. All right, just a super quick video today, but you guys did actually want to see this. Oh, there's a tiny bit of spots on the inside of the handle. Not a big deal though, but there she is. I'm excited. I try to buy one designer bag a year, so I don't go crazy and buy them throughout the year. But I usually buy one for my birthday, and then last year I didn't buy one for obvious reasons. So this year we're just a little bit late, but I'm really excited to have this bag and add it to my collection. And if you liked videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, become a Warrior Crew member, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye!